Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch Espresso machine. It comes to us with leaking from the group head. So in the beginning, this is common to have like a broken group head gasket, leaks from there. But when I test this, I found it like it's just replaced. It's a brand new group head gasket. I took it off, put it back again to check if it's in the right position, and everything was fine. So when I tested in the top, I found the boiler wasn't set in the right way, and there was like leak from the outgoing one of the hoses also from the boiler. It's a little leak, but in general, like in the top with this, it's similar to this group head. This is the group head from the bottom. So to tighten that, I need to to take off everything from the top, the boiler, and there is like a fuse here. That one needs to be replaced. It was corroded. Here I found it full of water, and there is sensor here. If you see, this is, we call it the NTC sensor. So I clean it up all, replace the fuse, put it back, tied it, put it back together, tied it, and the machine after that works great. Then I give deep cleaning for the steam one because I found it like smells bad, and when it was clogged, 3 or 4 of the holes on it was clogged, so I just clean all the machine. So let's go ahead and test it and see if it's still leaking. I don't have, the machine comes without the hopper, so I do want to use a different size of grind, which is not gonna give whatever. I'm gonna test it with a blind basket on a portafilter, but in the first I'm gonna show how it's like. It is. This is the prefusion. Then it's gonna give. There you go. Show how it's like the back flush. When it's finished, the water gonna come out from here. Here is it, and no any leak in the top. So let's do it again. It's perfect, no any leak. And when it's released, it's gonna go to the tray like you back flushing. Here is it. So the machine works perfect. Let's test the hot water. That works good. And the steamer. The machine works perfect. Again, the group head. No any leak. Yep. So yeah, everything works perfect. Thank you for watching.